Looking for a better, more effective self-paced training solution? Curriculum developers and trainers look no further. ReadyTech's end-to-end self-paced training solution is designed for companies looking to build an online training marketplace. You get everything from registration, payment, hands-on labs, and course materials management. All this in 3 easy steps. 1. Create a course. 2. Publish to marketplace. And 3. Sell. So how does it work for students? Prospective students can easily find and select the courses they need, process payments using multiple payment methods, receive a voucher, and start the course whenever they're ready. ReadyTech's self-paced training solution for students is 3 easy steps. 1. Select a course. 2. Purchase. 3. Start training. Contact ReadyTech to get started today.